Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Inorganic chemistry questions for you. Here you got Tellurium Tetra Fluoride. You should find hybridization and shape of it. To find the hybridization, you should know the steric number. The steric number formula is V plus B minus C whole divided by 2. Tellurium valency is 6, fluorine atoms are 4. So the steric number will be 10 by 2, which equals 5. The lone pair will be H minus B, which is 5 minus 4 equals 1. H5 means sp3d hybridization, which represents trigonal bipyramidal. So trigonal bipyramidal structure with one lone pair. So what really happened? You have lone pair in the equatorial position, that's how it's stable, and you have lone pair above the plane, it is not visible, so it will be like Caesar. So the shape of tellurium tetrafluoride is Caesar shape. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.